First of all, copy the problem. In this problem, what they have said, they are having one machine at the cost of 6,000 rupees, and on that machine they are giving you 20% discount. So we can find the cost of the machine by reducing or by deducting that discount from it. So 6,000 into 20%, we will get 4,800 rupees as at a price what you are going to purchase that machine. Even in the problem they have said the selling expenses, or it is also called selling on cost or selling overhead, are half of the factory cost. In this problem they have given you ratio of material cost, labor cost and factory overheads. So the ratio is 1:4:2. Like this, they have given you ratio 1:4:2. In this problem, even they have given material cost is rupees 400. So by using this and by using the ratio, we can find out the labor cost and factory overheads. So the material cost is 400 rupees. So labor cost is, as per the ratio, it is 4 they have given. So 400. This is into one, first one, second one ratio is 4. So it will become 1600. First one is 400, second one is 1600. And the last one, factory overheads, the ratio is 2. So 400 into 2, that is 800. So in this problem we have to find out whether it is profit or loss. First, find out the prime cost. The prime cost includes the direct material cost, direct labor cost and direct expenses. So in this problem they have not given us direct expenses, so we have to consider that as a 0. So direct expenses, it may be a tool cost or jigs and fixture cost. So remaining whatever they have given you, add. Direct material is 400 and direct labor is 1600. So prime cost is 2000 rupees. Then factory cost, it is an addition of prime cost plus factory overheads. So prime cost is 2000 and factory overheads from the ratio we got 800 rupees. So total factory cost will be 2000 plus 800, 2800 rupees. So the office cost is factory cost plus administrative expenses. So factory cost we have just got 2800. Administrative expenses they have not mentioned in the problem. So we have to consider that as a nil, that is 0. So office cost is also 2800 rupees. So total cost, it is a combination of office cost plus selling expenses. So if we read the problem, what they have given, office cost, just we have got 2800 plus selling expenses are how much they have given. They have given half of the factory cost. Add here 2800 plus half of that 2800. So we will get here answer 4200 rupees. At the start of the problem, we found 20% discount, means 4800 rupees is the selling price of that machine, and by solving the problem we got 4200 is the total cost of that machine. So selling price minus total cost, if we do, we will get answer of 600 rupees, means the company is in profit.